Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a chart in Google Docs. Now once you're inside Google Docs working on your sheet, go ahead and click on insert from the menus, go down to charts. Here you have a few options, right? You have the bar chart, column, lines, and even pie chart. Let's say we want to work with a pie chart. Click on pie and you will see that Google Docs insert a sample here. This is something that you're not able to modify, but you can easily go ahead and modify and customize it to your liking. How do you do that? Click the three dots on the upper right hand side of the chart and you have the option to open source. Clicking that and it's going to open up a spreadsheet for you. And as you can see here for the spreadsheet, it also adds the values. It also adds the sample of the document. Now you can simply drag and move that so that you have more visibility. So you can move it to wherever you want. So let's say I want to keep it the name's theme, but I don't want it to name period. So I can name this to say this month as an example, right? This month, I'm going to name it like that. And those volumes, I'm going to leave the theme, right? So I'm going to change a few of those volumes. So instead of this saying 24, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to change each of these to 25. So I'm going to say 25 here, and let me go ahead and press Control A, Control C, put another 25 here, another 25 here, and another 25 here. And as you can see, it makes it into 4 even quarters, right? So as you can see, this is done. No, this is how you actually make the values. Now, what if you want to make additional changes? Simply double click on the graph, and you will see that it opens up a left side, which is called a chart editor, that you can go ahead and you can change colors and whatever you want. So you can expand each of these. You also have the setup that you can change. You also have the customization. You can expand each of these and make changes to whatever you want, right? Really, it's really up to you. So if you don't want this to be white, you can change this to be black or whatever. It's really up to you. Here you can go ahead and you can change the chart color, chart bar, the colors. I can change that to maybe white if I want to. I can make whatever customization I want, right? Let me kind of put this back into something that we can see. So let's use, for example, the gray here. Now here you can even put it like a 3D if you want something like that, whatever. So just simply go through them and make the changes you want, right? Now let's say you're satisfied with this. All you have to do, just go back to your document, as you can see here, and here you have the option now which says update. So if you click on that, it's going to update the chart for you, and it is as easy as that, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how to go ahead and make a chart in Google Docs.